Powered by Plascon, today's handy hero comes from Frank's Hardware in Saldanha in the Western Cape.
We are Frank's Hardware. We are a very family-orientated shop. We all literally are like a little family. Because we are family-orientated, we try and come into market at all kinds of budgets due to the fact that not everyone is capable of spending the same amount for some things that need to be done. That's my favorite thing personally about the shop, is that we try and satisfy everybody, not just one person. We like to appeal to everybody, a contractor, home DIY person, it doesn't really matter. We try and assist everybody. What makes our shop the best in Saldanha is anything we do not have, we are willing to get it. We have a wide range of Plascon, and as well, Plascon, they are so willing to help us with any queries that you have.
Ever since I was introduced to a Plascon brand, I never start looking around because they are the best in the paint. My favorite product is Roof and More. The Roof and More, what's so special about it, it contains 80% UV resistance, of which you can use on your walls and your roof, paving. You can use it on your walls, you can use it on your steel as well.
My DIY tip would be know which products to use when you do prepare your surfaces. Use the right rollers, and always make sure you have the right products to apply.
Today's Handy Heroes is powered by Plascon, wall and all. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.